Hey friends, I am John Laspina, your carnivore teacher. Have you ever seen a fat wolf in the wild? A fat fox in the wild? Have you ever seen a fat deer in the wild? Guess what? Don't tell me yes. You may have actually. You may have seen a fat one of these animals if they were domesticated and humans fed them our crappy human diet. But animals in the wild that are eating their ancestrally appropriate food that they know to eat instinctively, they never get fat. And they rarely get sick because they're eating what they are supposed to eat. And I say this comparison because we are animals too. And we're not in the wild anymore because we are domesticated and we have technology and we have conveniences and we have fast food restaurants and we have grocery stores. We don't have to work to get our food anymore. All we have to do is pay for it. And unfortunately, with that modern, wonderful convenience comes crap. All the crappy processed and ultra-processed foods. So now we have to relearn how to eat properly. We used to know how to eat. Before 1850-ish, 1860, we ate all one ingredient whole foods. All the way back through the thousands of years and hundreds of thousands of years and millions of years, we ate from the land, we ate from the air, we ate from the sea. That's what we ate. We didn't have any of this factory processed stuff. So human being animals are getting fat. Look around you in general, in your eyes glance, when you're in a crowd of people somewhere, and you will see so many morbidly obese people and obese people. It's just ridiculous and it's too obvious. It's the food that we're eating. It's Taco Bell, it's Wendy's, it's Burger King, it's Chick-fil-A, it's Pop-Tarts and cereal and pizza and macaroni and cheese, it's TV dinners, it's Pringles, it's Doritos, it's Oreo cookies, it's beer. We are poisoning ourselves. We are bloating ourselves up with all this ultra-processed food that was not around before 1850. I mean, beer was, but you know, if we made potato chips, we took it at home. We cut the potato, we fried it in lard. It was different than the crap today, the French fries, and all the stuff today is just ridiculous. We can get fruit from all over the world in our shopping cart, from one store, any time of the year, and it's bigger and it's sweeter because it's genetically modified and hybridized. We human beings are not looking the way we used to look in the wild. Look at your dogs and look at your cats and any other pets you have. Dogs and cats' ancestral food is carnivore. They're not supposed to eat wheat or kibble or rice or any of that stuff, corn. Dogs and cats are supposed to eat animal products. And they will be lean and healthy and they won't get cancer. They won't get diabetes. There's so much feline diabetes out there now. There's so much obesity in dogs. Whenever I take a walk at night around my neighborhood here, I feel so bad for some of these dogs. They're obviously obese because their owners are feeding them crap. They're probably giving them table scraps as well as kibble. Feed your beloved pets what makes them happy and healthy, and that's animal products, and they'll love you for it too. They would prefer that. They're dependent on us. Back to the animals in the wild, domesticated animals, we all need to eat our species-specific appropriate food, and we will not be fat, and we will not be sick. And that is my message in this video. So when we all eat well, we become the optimized versions of ourselves, and we're happier and healthier. Have a great day.